Hi, this is Jim from my train room. Well, what you see here is a project I had, and I was going to record working on it, but I forgot to turn the camera on, so you're getting it already done. Anyways, this is a dummy. I bought this many years ago. I don't even know who made it, but I used to run it behind a powered engine. So I was doing that with this one. I was running it behind this, let me get it over here. This is MTH HO with sound, and I had it behind it, coupled on behind it, and so I had the thought about putting sound into this. I didn't know if it could be done without a motor and stuff. So anyway, I looked on YouTube and I looked on, try to find anybody done it, and nobody had done it. And I'm not real up into this stuff. I got the easy command control, and I really like it. It suits me. I can make the horn blow, the bell, the engines run. It's real good for me. And I'm not into all that technical stuff, but this does just what I want. So anyways, what I did was send off and got a sound thing, and I meant to bring that down from Tsunami. It was Tsunami Alco, and I got it, and I opened this thing up, and all I had to do was hook up 6 wires. I hooked up 2 to the speaker, 2 to the backlight, and 2 to pick up the power from the rail. And I didn't know if it would work or not, but listen to this. See, the light's on, and it does make sound. There's the bell. I'll get it in the picture a little bit. There you go. And the horn. So it does work. 6 wires, and it's not powered. There's no motor in there, and I didn't know if it would work or not, but there it is. So I got to hook up a power unit to it to make it run. So I'm going to take this off the stand. So here it is. If you got any dummy engines, you want to make up sound, it's real easy to do. Like I say, 2 wires for the getting the juice, and 2 wires to the speaker, and I did 2 wires to the light. So there it is. I hope you can hear the sound. That's the F3 firing up. I'll turn that thing down, it's really loud. Okay, here we go. There's my video, so I hope you enjoy it and get something out of it. I really like the sounds of the AL-KO. So thanks for watching.